In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and import contacts on Monday.com. Whether you're brand new to the platform or looking to streamline your contact management process, I'm here to guide you through each step to make your experience as seamless as possible. Let's start by navigating to the board where you want to import your contacts. This is the fundamental space within Monday.com where you'll be organizing all your contact information. Once you're there, the next step is to create a dedicated contact management board. This board will serve as your central hub for all the contacts you'll be managing and importing. Having this specific board will not only keep your information organized, but also makes it much easier to access and update your contacts as needed. Now that you've set up your contact management board, it's time to add columns to capture all the essential contact information. Think of these columns as the different fields of a spreadsheet where all relevant data will be entered. Typically, you'll want to include columns for names, contact numbers, and emails. These fields cover the fundamental information you'll need to manage your contacts effectively. You might want to consider additional columns for information specific to your needs, like a notes section or company name, depending on your use case. Once you have your columns ready, it's important to organize them in a way that aligns with how you'll be using this information. Arranging the columns logically can greatly enhance your workflow. Setting them up in the sequence of most to least essential for your processes can save time and reduce the likelihood of errors when inputting data. Now comes the exciting part, importing your contacts. Start by clicking on the Import Names option. This feature simplifies the entire process of getting your data onto Monday.com without having to manually enter each contact one by one. You'll need to have your contact data prepared in Excel or CSV format, as these file types are quickly and easily supported for import. To do this, ensure your data is clean and well organized in your spreadsheet. This means having consistent formatting and accurate data entry, which will minimize any import issues and ensure smooth data transition. After selecting your file for import, follow the prompts to match your columns in the spreadsheet to those on your board. This feature helps map your existing data into the right fields on Monday.com, ensuring everything goes to the correct place. Once the import process is complete, review the imported data on your contact management board to ensure accuracy. And there you have it. You're now efficiently managing and importing contacts on Monday.com. With these straightforward steps, you can maintain organized, accessible contact data and streamline your communication and project management processes. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next tutorial.